Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, we're going to walk through how to apply an e-visa to travel to Cuba. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. All right, guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this e-visa website of Cuba. Okay. So here, you need to click on like if you're coming for the very first time, you want to apply for new visa application, you're going to click on apply for a visa, and it's valid for single entry for stay of 90 days, extendable for 90 days. Okay, if you want to select the country where you apply. Okay, you need to do as per your case. I'm just putting sample. Okay, payment method. Cost is gonna be this much. So based on your locality, it could be different. I'm just selecting a different sample. Okay. Okay. Maybe apply. I mean, yeah, if it's not there, that's fine. I was just going through this. Anyway, let me continue from here. Continue. Okay. So you see 5 tabs, details of extra, payment details, review data, and confirm and send. So let's go through this. I'm going to put only sample here. Okay. Not the exact values. Surname, date of birth. You do as per your case. Just don't go by what I'm showing. Email. No, 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 no. No, no, dot. No, no. Can I copy and paste? I don't know. Let's see. Oh no, validation. No, 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 dot. Gender, phone number. Okay. And then I click on next. Oh, national of. Okay, okay. That's very important. Okay, so that's gonna be the fee. Payment digital transfer. So of course, like once you upload the file of proof of payment that you have done the transfer, okay, to this address, you can also go by money order. Once you should have a proof of payment, you can click on upload file and they can go to next, where you can review the data and finally confirm and send. Okay, so that's how it works, guys, and that's how easy it is, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Okay, so you just need your valid passport and email. They have like very little details they have asked. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.